Here you can see an Operail modernized C30-M locomotive with a number of 1560 slowly pulling in. Operail can be seen servicing a branch line called Maardu Railway. The line has multiple clients and they used to have quite a few locomotives as well. But as the rail industry economics have changed a lot, especially after the Russia-Ukraine aggression, all of their locomotives have been sold, and now the line is being serviced by Operail with their C30-M. This line is very old, built in the Soviet times to service a huge chemistry factory complex. Due to the age of this line, the speed must be very slow, not above 10 to 20 kilometers per hour. All the factories have now long closed, and most of the clients are either warehouses or a fuel terminal. That is being serviced now by bringing in the tankers. As Estonia does not have its own fuel refinery, all the liquid fuels are imported via either the sea or by rail. This shipment came from Lithuania, a refinery called the Orlen Mažeikiai refinery. Mažeikiai refinery, whose first refining complex was put into operation in 1980, is situated in the northwest of Lithuania, not far, about 90 kilometers, from the terminals in Būtingė, Klaipėda, and Ventspils. The design capacity of the Mažeikiai refinery is 10 million tons of crude oil per year. Given the existing technologies and current marketing conditions, the efficient refining volume is 8 million tons a year. In order to utilize the refining capacities more efficiently, the Mažeikiai refinery also processes other feedstock, including gas condensate, fuel oil, and middle distillates. Mažeikiai refinery is the main source of imported fuel via railroad to Estonia, and Orlen has many clients in Estonia. The Maardu Railroad branch network has 3 fuel terminals that all require weekly or monthly visits by Operail, either to pull out empties or bring in loaded tankers. The golden era of rail transit in Estonia is now a distant memory. The final blow to the cargo rail industry came with Russia's aggressive actions against Ukraine, which triggered a wave of EU sanctions. These measures have effectively brought rail transit in Estonia to a standstill. Before the conflict, most of the cargo transported by rail in Estonia originated from Russia, destined for ports like Muuga, Paldiski, or Sillamäe. Now vast fuel terminals in the Maardu-Muuga area sit idle. Once owned or connected to Russian oligarchs, many of these facilities have been affected by sanctions. While some terminals have been sold to new owners, efforts to revive business and secure new clients have so far been unsuccessful. The decline of transit cargo has led to the closure of most railroad companies in Estonia. Operail, being state-owned, continues to struggle, but year after year its losses have only grown. Now the Estonian government has decided it's time for a change. The plan is to sell Operail to a private owner, and the company is being prepared for the transition with the state awaiting offers. As of October 2024, no serious buyers have come forward, and the company continues to downsize, laying off engineers and other workers. Because Operail is state-owned, it is prohibited by the Estonian government from handling any cargo even remotely linked to Russia. This restriction has opened the door for other companies to pick up some more business. The footage recorded in the winter of 2024 shows a calm but work-filled couple of hours for this Operail C30-M. The first modernized C30-M locomotive in Tapa Depot was completed in 2018, being the first locomotive built in Estonia in after 86 years. The locomotive was born in collaboration with the Czech company CZ Loco. The C30-M is designed for shunting. However, it is equally suitable for freight transport, being certified for mainline freight duties in the summer of 2024. The locomotive was assembled using the frame and chassis of the C30-7A locomotive, manufactured in the 1980s by the American company General Electric, and the modules are designed by CZ Loco. The 6-axle locomotive weighs 138 tons The locomotive has the Caterpillar 3512 CHD diesel engine with a power output of 1,550 kilowatts, and its maximum speed is 100 kilometers per hour, although cannot exceed 80 kilometers per hour with a freight train in Estonia.